Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talkin' Bullion. Well, I got another package in the mail today. I am pretty excited to open this one. This is an Instagram purchase, maybe my third, maybe my fourth. I've been buying a little bit off Instagram lately, some auctions and other things. This one somebody tagged me on because they knew I might be interested in it, and finally back to getting another one of those fantastic deals. Now we know that spot prices went up quite a bit over the past few months, so getting this for a good price still makes it much more money than what I was paying for it just not too long ago. But you gotta get what you can get, and a stacker has to keep stacking. So why don't we go ahead and take a look? Alright, so let's see if we can get this thing opened up here. And I will cut it. Let me set it down over here. I got the address label side up. I should kind of get these open before I start the video because it's not a whole lot of fun just sitting here watching somebody cut something open. Alright, let's cut this over here like so. Watch your fingers there. Talkin' Bullion. Let's open this thing up. I don't know if there's going to be any kind of a card or anything in here, so let me pull this out like this. Very well packaged, very secure. Let's see what we have in this. Let's put this aside for now. And come on out of there, don't be shy. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that, my friends. Let's turn some light up on these beautiful things. So what should be here, what I purchased, was 5 rolls of Mercury dimes. And I got these for a fantastic price, assuming that's what I ordered. It's looking good so far. Oh, look at that. 1942 right on top. Let's take a look at this roll. What do we have here? 1944. Man, I'm so glad to be buying some more constitutional silver and buying it below spot. This tube looks pretty full compared to the other ones. Maybe that means there's not a lot of wear on them. They've got the dates on the side here. I don't know if this is from this roll or not, but look at that. It says it's got 1918, 135S, 336s. Alright, so that's cool if that's what's in there. Let's look inside this one. I've got the tape right across the coins on that one. That's okay, just trying to hold them in there. 1944 on top. I use a lot of tape when I send my stuff out too. Then we have this. Alright, so again, this was an Instagram purchase. It was my largest Instagram purchase. I was a little concerned because I had not dealt with the guy before, and I told him my concerns that, sending a few $100 to somebody who's, I don't know, is a little bit of a concern. And he rest assured me that he had some references and that he would be okay. So I went ahead and did it. Why? Because you know what I got this for? I got all of this beautiful constitutional silver for $2.25 below spot. That's right, folks. Back to getting these several dollars below spot again. Now, I had more. I could have bought several more rolls at that price. But sometimes you got to budget what you got to budget, right? And it just wasn't a good time for me to lay that kind of cash down. So what we have here with $25 face in Mercury dimes, if we multiply that by 0.715, we have 17.88 ounces of silver there. Now the 0.715 considers the wear, right? So that ought to be a fairly accurate number. This roll looks really shiny on the sides. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but compared to these other ones. That one looks pretty nice. All right, so 17.88 ounces. Now, if we multiply that by the $2.25 that I saved per ounce, so saved $40.23. So if I would have paid spot, I would have had to pay more than $40 more. Pretty wild, huh? Pretty cool, huh? I just want to thank that Instagram user. I don't want to give his name. I didn't get his permission, and I don't want to say it unless it's okay, so I'm not going to at this point. But thank you for the deal. But while I was looking at that, I went over to his Instagram page, started looking at some of the other things he had, and it looked like he had a little piece of gold out there. And when I say little, I mean little. So let's take a look at that. Now, I've never bought Mexican gold before. I see a lot of people on YouTube recommending it. And, it's just because I was spending a lot here. I didn't want to spend a lot here, but thought we'd, why not get a little gold piece in there too? And keep getting some gold. And he sold this to me for a really good price, quite a few dollars less than what he had it listed for, because I was buying the other stuff, so that worked out pretty well. And I went on eBay and compared it and got this for a good price too. Well, this looks like it's pretty well sealed up. Say Mexico, 8 reals equals 1 peso. 100 centavos equals 1 peso. Capital Mexico City. So this is one of those dos pesos. It's obviously a pretty small. I don't remember what the calculation was on it. I looked at it. I could figure it out. Let me see what it says back here. It says approximate value 25 cents. Well, that must have been a long time ago that was written. It's worth more than that now. So it's a 2 peso gold coin. So pretty cool, huh? So again, this is a 1945 2 pesos gold coin, and it has 0.0482 troy ounces. So about a 20th of an ounce is about half of a tenth. So it's a tiny little thing, but it's a gold coin, right? I think it's 90%. 90% gold and 10% copper. So yeah, it's tiny, but it's good to add to the collection. Gold is gold, and I will take it. It looks pretty similar to that little $1 coin I have from the U.S. I think it's in 1853. That thing's pretty tiny too. So yeah, it's nice to have something from Mexico. So here we go. I went and dug out that little dollar coin I was talking about. And you can see it here. Now it looks a little bigger because of the little case that it's in. This is how I bought it. It came in this little case, so I didn't take it out. And I guess I'm not going to take this out of its original packaging. This looks to be pretty old packaging. Why not leave it in there? But if you had to look, the $1 coin might be slightly bigger. I could get out my micrometer and check, but they're pretty close, right? This is a dollar coin from 1853. Man, could you imagine carrying something that small in your pocket? Let's take a look at that's much smaller than a dime even. Look at how much bigger a dime is than that. So yeah, these may have got lost pretty easily back in the day. Holes in your pockets, things like that. Man, that's a small little coin. But there's gold in them there coins, my friends. All right, so yeah, got a little comparison there with the $1. So these 5 rolls and this 2 peso, dos peso coin from this Instagram user, and I'm pretty happy with what I got. All right, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.